Lim from ZDS-PGC campus. I am currently taking BSA, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. For this activity on philosophical perspective on the self, I will be sharing 3 thinkers whose ideas deeply resonate with me: Socrates, René Descartes, and Saint Augustine. Each of them offers a unique way of understanding the self, from Socrates' call to know thyself, to Descartes' famous statement, "I think, therefore I am," and Saint Augustine, reflections on memory and self-consciousness. In this presentation, I will explain their perspective in my own words and connect them to personal experiences that show how this idea continues to shape the way I see myself and the world around me. Socrates, know thyself. Socrates believed that self-knowledge is the foundation of virtue. His idea that ignorance is the beginning of wisdom encourages humility and growth. Think of a time when you admitted you didn't know something, maybe struggling with a subject in school. By acknowledging your ignorance, you open yourself up to learning, which reflects Socrates' belief that recognizing limits leads to knowledge. René Descartes, I think, therefore I am. Descartes grounds the self in consciousness and rational thought. His philosophy highlights that our ability, doubt, and reflect proof of our existence. When you've questioned your future path, like deciding on a career or reflecting on choices, you are engaging in the very act Descartes describes. Your thinking itself affirms your identity. Saint Augustine, memory and self-consciousness. Augustine saw the self as deeply tied to memory, time, and inner reflection. He believed that by looking inward, we encounter both our limitations and our connections to the divine. Consider moments when you reflected on past experiences, like recalling childhood lessons or family traditions, and realize how they shape your present identity. The act of remembering illustrates Augustine's view that memory is central to the self. I conclude exploring the perspectives of Socrates, René Descartes, and Saint Augustine has helped me see the self in a deeper way. Socrates reminds me that true growth begins with humility and self-knowledge. Descartes shows that our ability to think and reflect is proof of our existence. And Saint Augustine highlights how memory and inner reflection shape who we are today. Together, these ideas encourage me to keep questioning, reflecting, and remembering as I continue to understand myself. Thank you for listening, and I hope this perspective inspires you to reflect on your own journey of knowing the self. Bye-bye!